Dad better get his AR out. Shit.
What is that?
I don't know. What the hell? Holy crap. I have no idea. Whatever the hell that was. I honestly don't know what the hell that was. Oh my god. Jesus. What idiot. Wow, what idiots.